Every year, over 30 million cars in the UK go through the MOT test. And every year, the same commonly missed issues catch out plenty of drivers. So today, we're teaming up with Kwik Fit to help bust the 5 biggest MOT myths to hopefully prevent you from getting an MOT failure in the future. So an MOT pass feels like a green light for the next 12 months, but is it really?
No, so your MOT is just a safety snapshot of the day. Your tyres, brakes and any other kind of vital parts will still need regular checks due to wear and tear.
So some drivers think there's a couple of weeks leeway after their MOT date, but is this true?
No, so the moment your MOT expires, you can't legally drive your car unless it's to your MOT test, which is pre-booked. If you do, you can risk fines, points, or your insurance being invalidated.
I guess if you're only driving to the shops and back, then some drivers may think surely you don't need an annual MOT.
Yeah, so mileage doesn't actually matter. If your car is over 3 years old, you're still needing an MOT every year by law.
Some people use MOT and service interchangeably, but they're not the same, are they?
No, so your MOT is a legal safety check, but a service is all about maintenance, like checking your oil and filter, just making sure the car is running smoothly. They go hand in hand, but one doesn't replace the other.
Let's say your car fails its MOT. Can you just drive it to another garage for a second opinion?
No, you can't drive it if it's a dangerous defect until it is fixed.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Cazoo YouTube channel for more videos just like this one.